What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Maverick Raven coming at you with another one. And I got it. What the hell did I do with myself? Oh, let me try to fix it here. 1 second, y'all. I don't know what I did here. Jeez, there we go. Oh, no, wait. Oh, there it is. Sorry, see, this bamboo wall that's supposed to be sturdy, it fell. Almost on my 7-year-old. Anyways, like I was saying, what's the bit? What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Maverick Raven coming at you with another one. And yeah, today's been a busy news day, man. They've been keeping me jumping. Look at this. As you can see, this is from The Hill. Migrants sent to Martha's Vineyard by DeSantis can sue charter flight company, judge rules. See, I decided to do it from The Hill because The Hill is obviously a leftist, a leftist newspaper, and they're going to be a little bit harsh, or if not very harsh, on DeSantis. So let's read. Let's read. But before you do, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff. It keeps the lights on in this place, metaphorically. Migrants who were flown to Martha's Vineyard, Massachusetts by Florida Governor Ron DeSantis in September 2022 can proceed with their case against charter flight company Vertol Systems Co., a district court judge ruled late last week. A Massachusetts district judge dismissed 3 counts levied against the Florida-based company, but ruled, Vertol must face the 8 remaining counts. The judge dismissed the state actors, including DeSantis, as defendants in this case after determining the court lacked jurisdiction. On September 14th, 2022, migrants boarded 2 flights from San Antonio, Texas to Martha's Vineyard after allegedly being falsely promised better housing, work, and educational opportunities. GOP governors, including DeSantis, have flown and bused migrants to locations including Massachusetts, New York, and Chicago, as what they say is an attempt to make liberal locations feel the impacts of lax immigration policies. Yeah, it's pretty good, isn't it? Man, let me tell you something. That's exactly what they needed. But see, the thing is that the left is in an uproar right now because they thought that they were going to be able to get DeSantis behind bars and all this crazy stuff. But DeSantis has been, as it says here, has been dismissed. He will not be facing any charges related to this. And I couldn't laugh my ass off more than that. It is just too funny. Judge Allison D. Burroughs wrote that the defendants were not legitimately enforcing any immigration laws, but instead, as alleged, they exploited plaintiffs in a scheme to boost the national profile of defendant DeSantis and manipulate them for political ends. Moreover, that's rough, Miss Burroughs. That is rough. Moreover, oh, I'm sorry, I skipped ahead. I'm all over the place with this video. I apologize, guys. Lawyers on behalf of the migrants filed the case making allegations including violations of the 4th and 14th Amendments, civil rights violations, discrimination, false imprisonment, fraud, deceit, intentional infliction of emotional distress, negligent infliction of emotional distress, civil conspiracy, and aiding and abetting. In other words, they were trying to sue with as many things as they could fit. They got a bunch of spaghetti. They threw it up against the wall to see what would stick. Nothing stuck on DeSantis. That's hilarious. Okay, these are people that are just trying to get money. That's it. Oh, and for the record, the 4th Amendment is part of the Bill of Rights. That applies only to American citizens. The Bill of Rights does not apply to people who are not American citizens. So if you're an illegal, I'm sorry, the Bill of Rights just doesn't apply to you. I'm very sorry. That's just the way it is. The Constitution will apply to you in applying laws, and obviously the Bill of Rights is the preamble to the Constitution. But now we're getting into Supreme Court having to interpret, which if it's going to interpret it now, it's going to interpret it conservatively. We hope, because Judge Roberts is crazy. He's mercurial as hell. It says, moreover, plaintiff's images were captured and sent to national news media. Unlike ICE agents legitimately enforcing the country's immigration laws, the court sees no legitimate purpose for rounding up highly vulnerable individuals on false pretenses and publicly injecting them into a divisive national debate, Burroughs continued. Treating vulnerable individuals like plaintiffs in this way as alleged and accepted as true for purposes of the motion to dismiss, is nothing short of extreme, outrageous, uncivilized, intolerable, and stunning. The judge also ruled that lawyers for the migrants have sufficiently alleged that the migrants were targeted because they were from South American countries or are Latinx, and thus made for better props in defendant's photo op. What? Vertal did not respond to a request for comment. A spokesperson for DeSantis' office said in a statement, "As we've always stated, the flights were conducted lawfully and authorized by the Florida legislature. We look forward to Florida's next illegal immigrant relocation flight, and we are glad to bring national attention to the crisis at the southern border." Based? Man, he's based. Well, there you have it, guys. I'm gonna leave, of course, like I always do. I'm gonna leave a link to this down below, but it's kind of going around social media anyways because of how pissed off the left is, and when the left, I've been having a shitty day. If you know where that's from, gold star. I could use a joke. Anyways, it's been going around social media and been making me laugh my ass off because leftists are just losing it on Twitter. I mean, just losing it on Twitter. So much so that the stuff that I pulled up, I don't even know if I can show it on YouTube. So I'm not going to because I don't want to lose my channel or get a strike or whatever the hell they do for it. But yeah, man. But let me go ahead and fix this wall before it falls again. I apologize for that. Like, share, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff. We appreciate it if you join the flock. Be safe, be good to one another, and stay based.